Let's begin by news coming from, we can say that, Auto World, and driven by recovery in their bank's core markets and lower provisions for loan losses. Singapore lenders, their overseas Chinese bank, then United Overseas Bank, they have beaten quarterly profit estimates. Prospects in Singapore's banking sector has improved as a rebounding economy has boosted demand for mortgages and loans, while booking markets have bolstered wealth management business as well. At the same time, benign credit costs indicate banks have been able to manage asset quality in face of pandemic-affected businesses. OCBC, Singapore's second biggest bank, reported net profit of $858 million in April-June versus $541 million last year. That compared with $830 million average of 4 analyst estimates. Profit slumped 23% from first quarter. Banks' allowances for loan losses was down 69% in second quarter from last year. Quarterly net profit at smaller peer UOB came in at $741 million, beating $702 million average of 3 estimates. According to data, profit was up 43% from last year earlier as impairment charges more than halved, but profit was flat from first quarter. Both banks increased dividend payouts last week. Singapore's central bank removed caps on dividends paid by banks, citing improving global economic outlook. And after US-based tech giants Detroit big Automakers and UAW that have reinstated requirements to wear masks at all US plants, offices and warehouses. However, auto giants are not requiring workers to be vaccinated. The move is in response to Center for Disease Control and Prevention's change in COVID-19 guidance. Masks for fully vaccinated people related to Delta variant. Nissan Motor also said it was reinstating its mask requirements for all US employees. UAW does not support requiring all workers to be vaccinated for COVID-19, and US automakers, they have not mandated vaccines. Union and automakers are strongly encouraging workers to get vaccinated. The CDC said last week fully vaccinated people should wear masks indoors in public spaces in places with substantial or high COVID-19 community transmission rates. CDC said earlier almost 80% of US counties are now at those levels. In June, US automakers and UAW announced fully vaccinated workers at their US factories would not have to wear masks on job beginning July 12. Numerous automakers operating in US, they had already begun lifting pandemic mask mandates as cases decline. Other companies as well as federal, state and local governments are putting more pressure on individuals to get vaccinated. New York City has said it will require proof of vaccination for people engaged in indoor activities such as dining, working out in gym or seeing a show. Companies in US including Walt Disney and Walmart instituting such a requirement for some share of their workforces. US President Joe Biden has ordered workers at federal agencies to get vaccinated or submit to regular testing. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.